A very warm and cheerful good morning to one and all present over here. Myself Tasbia Mansoori of class 10th A.
Myself Kriti Yadav of class 10th A.
Myself Kripa Upadhyay from class 10th A.
We are over here to speak about agriculture and to describe it with
Agriculture is the art and science of cultivating soil, farming and livestock.
Agriculture impact on environmental. Agriculture imposes multiple external costs upon society through effects such as pesticides, damage to nature, especially herbicides and insecticides, nutrient runoff, excessive water usage, and loss of natural environment. A 2000 assessment of agriculture in the UK determined total external cost for 1996 of Euro 2343 million and or Euro 208 per hectare. A 20,005 analysis of this cost in the US conclude that livestock issues. A senior UN official, Henning Stanfeld, said that livestock are one of the most significant contributors to today's most serious environmental problems. Livestock production occupies 70% of all land used for agriculture, or 30% of the land surface of the planet. It is one of the largest sources of greenhouse gases, responsible for 18% of the world's greenhouse gas emission as measured in CO2 equivalents. By comparison, all transportation emits 13.5% of the CO2 it produces, 65% of human-related nitrous oxide, which has 296 times the global warming potential of CO2, and 37% of all human included methane, which is 23 times as warming as CO2. It also generates 64% of the ammonia emission. Livestock expansion in cities is a key factor driving deforestation in the Amazon basin. 70% of previously forested area is now occupied by pastures and the remainder used for feed crops. Through deforestation and land degradation, livestock is also driving reductions in biodiversity. Furthermore, the UNEP states that methane emissions from global livestock are projected to increase by 60% by 2030 under current practices and consumption patterns. Land and water issues. Land transformation, the use of land to yield good services, is the most substantial way humans alter the Earth's ecosystem and is considered the driving force in the loss of biodiversity. Estimates of the amount of land transformed by humans vary from 39 to 50%. Land degradation, the long-term decline in ecosystem function and productivity is estimated to be occurring on 24% of land worldwide with cropland overprested. The UNFAO reports cities land management as a driving factor behind degradation and reports that 1.5 billion people rely upon the degrading land. Degradation can be deforestation, desertification, soil erosion, mineral depletion, or chemical degradation. Agriculture leads to rise in zoonotic diseases like the coronavirus disease 2019 by degrading natural buffers between the humans.
At last, but not the least, I would like to thank all those who gave their precious time to watch this video. Thank you so much.